Hello guys, welcome to Gasim Driving School YouTube channel. In this video I will explain driving line and lane discipline. The normal driving position should be on the left when you drive in the third braking. Also make sure to keep 1 meter away from the curb and 2 meters from cyclists. When you have two lanes going same direction, you should be on the left lane unless you are overtaken. In this example, if you turn in right next junction, you should keep to the right in good time. It's very important to keep clear when you pass in parked vehicles, leaving room for door opening. As you can see, the silver car ahead is a good example. So make sure to keep a meter away from parked vehicles. In this example, we're approaching cyclist lane on the left, so we need to move away 2 meters for cyclists. Now we have approximately 2 meters from the curb. Lane discipline is very important. Always follow lane mark and use a curb for your driving line in this example. When you turn in right and you have two lanes, make sure to choose the left lane for your normal driving position, unless you turn in right ahead. In this example, when you don't have a marking, use a curb on your left for your guide. Once your lane is split, make sure to choose your proper lane in good time. In this example, for turning right, it's very important to keep your position and follow the road markings. In this example of turning right, it's very important to keep our position in good time. Our lane is split and we're going to choose the left lane. We also need to maintain our position by keeping our left, because there's another lane on the right. We want to maintain our position to the left and using the curb for our guidance. Now we have 3 lanes we need to move to the left lane when it's safe. This time we're going to turn right, so we need to position to the right hand side in good time. Now we are in the right lane. We're going to stay in the right lane because the left lane will go different direction. This example is proved very great. We have 3 lanes. We need to drive to the left lane unless we're overtaken or we're turning right next junction. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.